अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्रिमिनोलॉजी के पेपर हम सॉल्व करेंगे। कुछ भाइयों की फरमाइश थी तो उसके एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। उसका जो फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है वो कहता है चिल्ड्रन हु कंटिन्यू टू कमिट स्टेटस ऑफेंस डिस्पाइट रिपीटेड इंटरवेंशन बाय द फैमिली, स्कूल, सोशल सर्विसेज, लॉ एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज आर कॉल्ड लाइफ कोर्स परसिस्टेंट ऑफेंडर, क्रॉनिक स्टेटस ऑफेंडर, रेसिडिविस्ट्स और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी, क्रॉनिक स्टेटस ऑफेंडर। सेकंड है Cesare Beccaria had written a book on crime and punishment in 1764, 1738, 1799 or none of these. Correct option है option A, 1764. फिर थर्ड है parent patria is the supreme guardian of every child, the ultimate guardian of every child, both A and B or none of these. जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन लग रहा है वो मुझे ultimate guardian of every child है। फोर्थ है द फर्स्ट स्पेशलाइज्ड करेक्शनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर यूथ इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट वाज बोर्स्टल इंस्टीट्यूशन, जुवेनाइल कोर्ट, हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है नन ऑफ दीज, इनमें से कोई नहीं है। फिफ्थ है डैश इज कॉल्ड फादर ऑफ प्रोबेशन, ब्लैकस्टोन, जॉन अगस्टस, ट्रेविस हेस्ची और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी, जॉन अगस्टस। सिक्स्थ है a philosophy of punishment based on the society's moral outrage and disapproval for a crime is called individual justice, utilitarian philosophy, retribution or none of these. Correct option है option C, retribution. Seventh है social disorganization theory was proposed by Wilson and Kellen, Robert K. Merton, Edwin Sutherland or none of these. Correct option है option D, none of these. Eighth है many of the rules prescribed severe punishment penalties which apply the dictum an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth was related to the code of severe punishment, the code of Hammurabi, societal laws of UK or none of these. Correct option है option B, the code of Hammurabi. Ninth है according to strain theory dash are those individuals who have traditional success goals but substitute deviant means to achieve them. Conformists, innovators, rebels or none of these. Correct option है option B, innovators. 10th है Dash coined the term criminology, Cesare Beccaria, Cesare Lombroso, Becker or none of these. Correct option है option D, none of these. 11th हमारे पास है who is considered as father of criminology, Cesare Beccaria, Jimmy Bentham, Cesare Lombroso or none of these. Correct option है option C, Cesare Lombroso. 12th है Dash is a malicious software that insert itself into other programs, worms, malware, virus or none of these. Correct option है option C, virus. 13th है Dash damage data and Dash steals sensitive private information, virus spyware, virus antivirus, antivirus spyware or none of these. Correct option है option A, virus and spyware. 14th है phishing is form of impersonation, spamming, identity theft and none of these. Correct option है option A, impersonation. 15th है a working definition of the problem is formulated during which stage of the SARA problem solving approach, assessment, analysis, response or none of these. Correct option है option B, analysis. 16th है the community policing recommends dash with less reliance on the patrol car and more emphasis on face-to-face interactions, prevention emphasis, geographic focus, both A and B or none of these. Correct option है option C, both A and B. 17 है dash is when a company or a person sends unwanted emails to another person, skimming, spoofing, spamming or none of these. Correct option है option C, spamming. 18 है a person who frequently has been convicted of criminal behavior and is presumed to be a danger, occasional criminals, habitual criminals, professional criminals or none of these. Correct option है option B, habitual criminals or offenders. 19th है Dash applied a positivist approach in analyzing crimes, Cesare Lombroso, R. K. Merton, Cesare Beccaria or none of these. Correct option है option A, Cesare Lombroso. 12th है Dash describe repeat offending by those who have been in prison, repetition, reciprocal or recidivism or none of these. Correct option है option C, recidivism. ये है क्रिमिनोलॉजी का पेपर। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट पेपर मुलाकात होती है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।